I'm going to share an quick understanding of the one of the library that I came across called ZeroStep, which is a we can supercharge your playwright with test with AI. That is what it really is basically. So I just want to I have watched execute automation this particular video, and then like it excited, so I thought of creating a similar content so that to spread the particular news basically. So yeah, so that's the overall intent. So I just want to spread the stuff. That's the overall intent here. So for to explain these things, right? So I have spent around a couple of hours to explore these stuff. So obviously we need to have some flow, right? So to what I'm trying to automate here is I'm going to search for this particular my GitHub handle, and then enter into my GitHub handle, and then I'm interested to assert this particular text, correct? So in this flow, so this is the plain uh, playwright script that I have written. It is going to go to Google. It is going to expect the title to have as Google, and then it is going to grab the locator. I'm specifically mentioning locator. I will come to it later, but I'm going to grab a locator for the search box, and then enter Praga GitHub, and then like do a keyboard event, enter, and then I'm going to I explicitly I've just added wait just to have this video sooner, right? So we can handle in the other way also. So next we will be navigating to the search result, and I'm going to click on the first search result, which has this anchor link, github.com/praga, and then I'm going to again wait for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to assert, like I'm going to grab the title just to make sure I'm on a right page, and then lastly I'm going to validate this particular thing. So this is the flow, correct? So let me quickly run for you so that it gives that feel of what we have automated. And then also let's check how much time it takes. In last one it took around okay, there is going to be something wrong. So even on the other video, for the first time when we do this it fails, and when we try to do the same thing again, it just passes. So nothing explicit, we have not added or changed anything. So this time it should pass, so it got passed as said. So it took around 9.3 seconds, right? So okay, let me go through the same steps, but with the help of ZeroStep, correct? So here you are going to get the search box like without any locator. That is the beautiful part. So get the Google search box, and then I want to type this, hey, type Praga GitHub in the search box, and then press enter and wait for 2 seconds, and then hey, can you click on the login, sorry, can you click on the GitHub /Praga, which is a link, and then it is going to assert this one. So let me run this file as well, spec as well. So it is going to be, yeah, this one. So this time that I have noted is it is slightly higher. It is having around 15 to 17 seconds. But like if they are optimizing it, for sure, it we can depend. Obviously, if this is the feature that they are going to give, obviously they are charging for sure. If you see here, yeah, like in the last time I did, it was 15 seconds. Now it is 17.7 seconds. So like this is one of the game changer, I would say, with respect to identifying the locator behind the scenes using AI. And the second thing which I liked, even though I did not like spend time on going through all the features, but I just want to highlight couple of features. One of the feature was behind the identifying the locators. The second thing was on populating the dynamic test data, right? If you see here in this flow, what they're doing is, and this is a code that I have grabbed from their official GitHub official GitHub repo. If you see here, so they are going to go to Calendly, and then they are going to dismiss the private model, piracy model, and then they are going to click on the first available date, and then they are going to select the first available time on the sidebar and select next button, and then fill the form with realistic value. So this is the place where I talk about the test data, dynamic test data, and then at the end of the day we are going to submit the form, and then we are asserting whether they have submitted the form or not. Correct. So let me do the run for this as well for you folks. So it is going to be zero steps. Yeah, this file. Yeah. So here, yeah, like after AI coming into play, like many things are changing. Even on the automation industry, many things are changing drastically. So once this is, if this thing is getting speeded up, I think many things will change for sure. So yeah, here you go. So it is going to randomly give the details, and then it is going to submit the form. So yeah, in this video I just want to convey this particular thing, so just to have a reshare of the knowledge that I have got from execute automation channel. So yeah, with respect to pricing, for sure they have pricing. If you see here, like the first 1,000 calls uh, per month is free. If you go to my account, right, so let me quickly show mine. So I have utilized around 50 uh, 50 70 calls actually. So let me grab my phone. So okay, here you go. I am accepting it, and yeah, okay. So if you see here, after logging in, yeah, let me know if there is a, if you need a video on how I did the setup. Actually, if you see here, I have consumed around 88 API calls, and this API call, how they are considering is like whenever we use AI, right? So this is how they are treating. So whenever we hit their servers, basically they are considering as a count. So I have just utilized 88 requests. So it depends on the usage, like pay as per your use, right? So this, that model is entering here. So yeah, that's the whole crux of the video. Thanks a lot for supporting and watching till end of the video. Yeah, thanks a lot. Reshare if you find this content very useful. Thank you.